Do you think the home prices are going down in Fremont, California? Well, Amrit, what do you think?
Well, it's hard to say, right? But let's look at the numbers.
Okay, let's do it.
We have about 237 active listings right now.
Okay.
85 pending and 107 sold in the month of September. What does that tell you?
Well, those are interesting numbers because typically in Fremont we have about 100 and 120 active, and that number is definitely higher, but that doesn't mean the homes are not moving.
Yeah.
It's just taking about 2 to 3 months to get rid of that inventory. Now that's not bad, Amrit. If you think about it, if you live in Atlanta or Montana, if you sell a home in 2 to 3 months, that's still a good market. We're just spoiled over here in the Bay Area. If a home doesn't sell in a day, we think it's a bad market. So what you're thinking, the market is still steady?
I think the market is still very steady, especially for single-family homes. Single-family homes are still flying off the shelf.
They are.
Within 2 to 3 weeks, they're sold. It's condos and townhomes where there's a little bit of a struggle.
There is a little bit of struggle. And if your home is priced right, and if it shows well, it goes quickly, especially if you're working with a professional who knows what they're doing. Because in this market, marketing, your communication skills and negotiating skills matter the most.
Absolutely, 100%.
Yeah, what do you think about if you're a buyer out there?
I think for buyers, this is a great opportunity. I feel like we have not seen this sort of an opportunity in the last 3-4 years.
Absolutely.
Buyers have options and they have time, and sometimes they're not competing with 10 offers, they're only competing with 2 or 3 offers.
Yeah, if you're a buyer out there, guys, I would highly consider it, because sometimes I run into buyers, they've been in the Bay Area for 10 years and 20 years and they're waiting for the market to crash. And the Silicon Valley market, I think is kind of like gold. It does this. Yes, there's a little dip here and there, but it's really hard to gauge. So can you imagine if you had overpaid $100,000 for a home 10 years ago? Let's say there was a home for $1 million, you paid 1.1. Oh yeah, that's a lot of money, but that home is worth $3 million right now. So guys, you don't wait to buy real estate, you buy and then you wait. Would you agree?
100%.
And if you have any questions, if you think about buying or selling, reach out to us. Cheers.
Thank you.